Hello everyone, welcome to sqadia.com. My name is Dr. Sananur Rahman and today we'll be talking about birth defects in prenatal diagnosis. This presentation is divided into 5 subsections. These subsections include the birth defects themselves, their causes, the radiation and chemical causes, maternal causes, and the prenatal diagnosis. In the first subsection, that is the birth defects, we'll deal with malformations and disruptions, deformations, syndromes, and associations. In the second section, which is the causes in general, we'll deal with the environmental factors, the principles of teratology, and the infectious agents, as well as hyperthermia. In the third section, we'll be dealing with radiation and chemical agents, hormones, and oral contraceptives. Fourth section will be dealing with maternal causes, which will include maternal diseases, nutritional deficiencies in heavy metals, obesity, and male-mediated teratogenesis. The last section will be dealing with the clinical aspect of this presentation. It would include ultrasonography, maternal serum screening, amniocentesis, and chorionic villus sampling. It is a very important lecture. I'll recommend all of you to come down with your pens, with your books, so that you don't have to open them again and again. Thank you. Keep watching sqadia.com.